Welcome to this webinar on how to find your dream job super fast. I'm Sheetal Khurana, your host for today's webinar. And I'm super excited to share with you some powerful secrets that can help you find your dream job, that too super fast. Firstly, I would like to thank you from the bottom of my heart for being here and taking out your precious time to join in. I will promise you that in my power, I will give you the best value of your time. I want to share a few things before we get started. Now, I would request you to stay till the end as I have a surprise bonus with regards to placement assistance for job seekers. And have your notepads and pens ready. Grab it now, because even one idea from this particular session can help you find your dream job. If you have any questions, please make a note of it in your notepads and you can ask those questions in the end. If you see an option to email questions, please feel free to email whatever questions you have. And I will make it a point to reply you back. Before we start, I'm sure you want to know, who am I? And why am I qualified to teach you about job search? I am Sheetal Khurana, job search expert, author, motivational speaker, and life coach. I have been into the business of recruitment consultancy for the last 14 years. This company, Managersoft Recruitment and Training Professionals, was founded in the year 2004 by me, Sheetal Khurana, and the co-founder was Mr. Harish Sachdeva. He had about 35 years of experience in the HR industry. And together, we have helped and worked with numerous top companies and corporates in the non-IT and IT domain across India. And we have helped numerous job seekers right from fresher level, entry level, middle level, and senior level for getting them placed with our clients. We were also appreciated by HDFC Bank Corporate HR Country Head for partnering in their growth story way back in 2007. To tell you a little more about the satisfied clients that we had, Aviva Life Insurance, HDFC Bank, Deutsche Bank, Formula Group, Club Mahindra Holidays, Hathway, HDFC Standard Life, ICICI Prudential, K. Raheja Corporation, Karvi Stock Broking, Lexigent Services, Oriental Rubber Industries, Pragati Leadership, SG Analytics, NIIT, IndusInd Bank, and many, many more. To tell you about the industries that we have served: banking, insurance, securities, NBFC, education, training, IT, media, entertainment, travels, hotels, FMCG, telecom, BPO, retail, real estate, manufacturing, engineering, packaging, rubber, pharma, automobiles, logistics, relocations, and many more. And And the kind of manpower requirements that we have handled, it has been in sales, marketing, finance, HR, IT, technical, operational, back office, accounts, and many others. To tell you a little more about me, well, I'm also an author. I've written a book with the title The Gita Happiness Retreat. Discover 40 life learning lessons from the Bhagavad Gita by author Sheetal Khurana. This book is recently published and is available on Amazon. To move on, now I'm going to share with you the 3 secrets of how you can find your dream job, that too super fast. With that, I would like to share a little story about my experience as a recruitment consultant. Now, many years back, it so happened that a lot of candidates who were mainly freshers, entry level, and even middle level professionals would call and even personally meet me and ask for jobs. Now, there are stories of pain, of not being able to find job for months or even a year would make me want to help them. But at that time, it was practically not possible for a recruitment consultant to help every job seeker find their dream jobs, because job seekers came from diverse backgrounds. Their qualifications were different, experiences were different, and they came from different industries, different locations. Their expectations were different. The recruitment consultants could place only those candidates who matches with their clients' requirements. But now, I am so happy to tell you that this is now possible. It is possible for me to help every job seeker by giving you the right training that will help you find your dream job. And that's why I am on a mission to help 100,000 working professionals find right jobs, master life's hidden secrets for personal and professional growth, and build strong relationships. To continue, now many job seekers would ask me to help them find jobs. To them, I would share powerful secrets that actually help them find jobs by themselves, which I'm going to share with you right now. So one job seeker asked me a question. How can I find my dream job? To him, I said, normally job seekers follow these steps when it comes to job search. The first thing is to identify that you are in need of a job and it's time for you to look out for a job. Second thing is what they do is they update their resume. Third, they update their resume on different job portals. Fourth, update their LinkedIn profile. Fifth, they connect with their ex-bosses or their colleagues or friends and ask for help regarding jobs. And sixth, they ask consultants for job opportunities. And seventh, they continue steps from 3 to 6. This is usually what every job seeker does. And this is called the traditional way of job searching. This is how most of the people do job search. But a lot of job seekers face roadblocks when it comes to the traditional way of job searching. Like they don't get any response, or low response, or a typical answer that you send your profile, your resume, and we will look into it and we'll get back to you. Now, what is it that is going wrong? The thing here is job seekers are looking for opportunities which are just 20% visible. The 20% of the job market is visible to job seekers, and they're looking out for opportunities only over there. What about the rest of the 80% of the job market, which is not visible to job seekers, and it is hidden below the ocean? That 80% chunk is hidden, and that's called the hidden job market. So how can the job seekers tap into the hidden job market? How can they find those opportunities and get going with the hiring that is going on inside? How can they look out for those opportunities and go and give interviews? That's the big question. How to tap into the hidden job market, and how can you find out about hiring going on and still end up giving an interview? Let me share a story of mine of how did I get my first job. Now, many years back, the moment I got my engineering degree in hand, I happened to read an advertisement in the newspaper about recruitment going on for technical support for a reputed company in Noida. Now, they were looking for fresh engineering graduates. They also mentioned that they are opening up their second office at Pune after 6 months. Now, Pune was my hometown. So I immediately thought of applying. Same time, I recollected that one of my friends works in the same company in Noida. I immediately called him and asked for the details of the company and how is it to start off. Hey, hi buddy, how are you doing? You know what? I suppose you're working in this XYZ company, right? I recently went through an advertisement that your company is looking for technical support people and they're coming to Pune for hiring. Can you tell me how is your company? Can I apply for a job? Oh yes, why not? I never knew that you're searching for a job. Please go ahead and apply. It's a good company to work with. In fact, you do one thing. I will just message you my employee reference number, the employee reference code, and you can put that on the top right hand side corner of your resume. And with my reference, you will surely get a job. And yes, I cleared all the rounds and I got a job offer with them. Now, there were two important things that helped me get a job. The first thing was my openness to move out from my city, Pune, to another location like Noida. And secondly, with the help of a contact within the company, my chances of getting a job became high. This is the sure shot way of getting a job even today. So moving ahead, the answer to the question about 80% of the hidden job market. How to tap into it? The right way to find your dream job is through networking. Yes, networking is the best way that will help you connect with the right people who can further help you in getting job opportunities. Your network will help you land up getting a job when you need it the most. So here comes the strategy. Find job opportunities through your network. Find job opportunities through your network. And this brings us to the secret number 1. Networking is the right way to find your dream job. Networking is the right way to find your dream job. So next, immediately, another job seeker asked me, Madam, I do not have many contacts in the market. How can I, as a job seeker, find job opportunities? To that, I said, by using the right keywords in your resume. By using the right keywords in your resume. Let me explain you how the job portals work. For every job vacancy, there are over 1,000 candidates, sometimes 10,000, even 25,000 matching resumes on the job portals, competing to be shortlisted by the recruiter for telephonic or personal interview. These figures depend upon the type of position, company's brand name, nature of work, experience required, job location, and a lot of other factors. After applying specific keywords, experience range, industry, job location, salary range that the employer is actually looking for, the recruiters are able to further shortlist resumes from a huge database. Out of thousands of candidates, they are able to come down to 100 to 250 resumes that are further screened, and out of that, just 50 resumes are shortlisted. Out of 50, only 23 to 25 resumes are shortlisted by company HR manager for interview. And out of that, 10 to 12 candidates turn up for the actual personal interview on the given date and time. And out of that, 2 to 3 candidates are shortlisted and 1 is hired. This is the actual scenario of how the job portals are used by a recruiter to hire a particular candidate and close a particular job requirement. So what are the tips for job seekers to use these job portals effectively? Here are the tips. To get your resume on the search list, which becomes the priority for every job seeker. To get your resume on top of the search list, keep updating your job profile on job portals once every week. When you do so, your job profile comes on top of the list of recent active job seekers. This helps you get more job opportunities. The second big question is how to find the right keywords. Usually recruiters use keywords that are already mentioned in the job description that is shared by company HR managers. So you can do a research of the relevant keywords by checking out the job descriptions of jobs that you are searching for and add those keywords into your resume. The third thing is a lot of candidates tend to hide their current company details on job portals in a fear of being found out on the portal, as those provisions are given by the job portal. But the thing is that it's better to share those details instead of hiding it, as you will miss out on opportunities which the recruiters might have. And showing the company details that you work with is actually what they are looking for. So why miss out on those opportunities? This brings us to the secret number 2. Use right keywords in your resume on job portals to get more job opportunities. Use right keywords in your resume on job portals to get more job opportunities. So further, another job seeker asked me a question. He said, as a recruitment consultant, you know the in and out of the job market. Can you also share why employers reject candidates? What exactly the employer is looking for in a candidate? Another very good question. To that, I replied that stability in their career is what the employer looks for. So if a candidate changes job frequently, say in 3 months or 6 months, are straight away rejected. Employers prefer those candidates and those resumes who are stable in their current or past companies and have been with the company for at least 3 to 5 years are most preferred. The second thing that every employer looks for is growth in their career. So if a candidate has received promotion within the same company, are again most preferred. And those are the resumes that the employer wants, looks for, and shortlists. The third thing the employer looks for is the achievements and awards in their career. If a candidate has made any significant achievement in his tenure and has received awards, that is what the employer looks for and shortlists. This brings us to secret number 3. Career growth is what the employer is looking for. Career growth is what the employer is looking for. So, another job seeker asked me a question. What if I get stuck in my job search? What if I come across a crossroad showing different directions and I do not know where to go and what to do? What if I feel confused? What if I do not understand how to search for my dream job? What if I feel depressed and low in confidence during my job search? What if even after months of struggle, I'm not able to find a job and I go through a mental stress and I feel directionless? What should I do? To that, the answer is to all these questions. The answer to all these questions is a mentor. Yes, whenever you feel stuck, it's better to ask help of an expert. A mentor who has the right knowledge and the right experience to guide you in the right direction. That's why I have chosen to be a job search expert as a mentor who can guide every job seeker. Having a rich experience of 14 years into recruitments, I specialize in training freshers and experienced job seekers on providing the right job search strategies and techniques to help them find right placements. That's why it's so important to have a mentor with you. I have worked with numerous companies in different industries in the non-IT and IT sector across India. And I carry that experience with me. So I feel companies need consultants and job seekers need mentors who can guide them in the right direction. Just like Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna was a mentor to Arjuna. He was a friend, he was a mentor who was there to guide Arjuna in the Mahabharata war. So whenever we face any challenges, we too need someone like Lord Krishna by our side who can guide us, motivate us in the right direction. Isn't it? So this brings us to another bonus secret, which is have a mentor in your life who can guide you in the right direction. Have a mentor in your life who can guide you in the right direction. So how many of you realize that there is a lot more to learn? How many of you realize that finding job the traditional way doesn't really work? Now, because of the current situation, every single position, the competition has increased. It has increased 10x times than it was earlier. How many of you realize that? How many of you realize that it's high time to learn the new way of job searching? I also agree that there is a lot of information available, but experience, expertise, complete knowledge and guidance is only available at one place. That's with a mentor. As a mentor, I don't want any job seeker to go through the pain and frustration every time you want to find a job. That's why I have created a system crafted specially for job seekers called the Job Search Formula Course. The Job Search Formula Course. It's a system crafted specially for job seekers. And I will explain you about the Job Search Formula Course and what it's all about. The Job Search Formula Course is the main course. And I'm going to give you a bundle of another 3 courses with it. And I will explain you about all the courses one by one. So you will get to know about the Job Search Formula Course bundle. All the courses are designed to help you find your dream job, and you can complete the course in a matter of 2 to 3 days. It has micro level learning concepts that will help you find your dream job. Coming to the Job Search Formula Course. This is the main course. And here is what you're going to learn. What exactly the employer looks for. I'm sure you would want to know what the employer is looking for in a candidate. What are the job search strategies that you need to find job? Job search tools for every job seekers. Apart from job portals, there are many other tools that are there that can help you find your dream job. Career growth strategies to grow fast. I'm sure everybody would want to grow in their careers. But what are the strategies? Mindset for a successful job search. And work-life balance secrets for success. And you will also get all the future content. The value of this program, is rupees 1,999, which is the main coaching program. And with this will come special gifts as the 3 bonuses. The first bonus that is coming with this is the resume writing course. And in this course, you're going to learn how to craft your perfect resume, resume writing tips from industry experts, learn the do's and don'ts of resume writing, free downloadable resume templates, how to write career objective, and you will also get a bonus tip to add credibility to your resume. All this is covered in this course. And you will get the resume writing course absolutely for free when you pick up the job search formula course bundle for rupees 1999. The next bonus that you will get is the interview tips and techniques course. In this course, you're going to learn how to understand different kinds of interviewers, interview questions asked, how to prepare for an interview, pre-interview checklist, tips and techniques to crack interview, bonus tip to add credibility during interview. And this interview tips and techniques course, you will get it absolutely for free when you buy the job search formula course bundle for rupees 1999. Moving on to the third bonus that is in line for you. The third bonus is find jobs using LinkedIn course. In this course, you're going to learn how to optimize your LinkedIn profile, how to build connections and network, how to connect with third-degree connections, how to search and apply for jobs on LinkedIn, how to connect with HR managers, and you'll also get a bonus tip to increase visibility of your LinkedIn profile. As earlier, I had mentioned about building your network. This is the way to build your network, and that will help you get more job opportunities. This course, the 5 jobs using LinkedIn course, you will get it absolutely for free when you buy the job search formula course bundle for rupees 1999. Now, do you want more? Yes? Here it comes. Next special bonus is the job clarity document. This is a downloadable Excel document which will help you give clarity in your job search along with a ready template to help you get started on this job search journey. You will get this for free when you pick up the job search formula course bundle for rupees 1999. So if you take this course, the job search formula course bundle for rupees 1999, I want to make sure that I give you content worth of value more than 10,000. I'm sure you would have realized that every course that is coming along with it has got a certain value. Now I'm going to do something very, very special. You will get the entire bundle, including the job clarity document, for a flat 50% off at an offer price of rupees 999 only. This is a webinar special offer which is rolled out specially for the ones who are watching this webinar at an offer price of rupees 999 only. This is the webinar special offer and I'm going to share the link with you right away. Have a look at the link. Even if you're watching a replay of this webinar, this link is pretty much live and active. And the offer applies to the webinar attendees, the replay webinar attendees as well. Let me show you a demo of what you're going to see when you click on the offer tab. So when you click on the offer tab, you will come. Let me share my screen with you. When you click on the tab, the Buy Now tab, you will come to a page like this. This is the payment page for the Job Search Formula Course Bundle. The details of the courses are mentioned over here. The bonus details, bonus courses are mentioned over here. Show more. And you've already been given a discounted price of rupees 999 for this course. Here, you just have to put your name, your last name, email address, phone number, and let me do that for you. And click on this pay option. The moment you click, you can make payment via your credit card, your UPI, net banking, wallet, whatever methods is feasible, you can pay from them. And the moment you make a payment from any of these methods, you will get the access to the course. In fact, the moment you make payment from this method, you will receive a payment confirmation email from the payment gateway confirming your payment, and post that within a span of 5 minutes, you will receive emails from my side wherein you will get an email to confirm your email address. And once you confirm the email address through which you have made payment, it will ask you to add a new password. And once you do that, you will get direct access to the courses. When I started as a recruitment consultant, with my partner, I had a very important discussion. Should we choose an option to charge job seekers for registration fees, or just keep the registration fee free? At that time, we were amongst the very few consultants who had decided not to charge any fee from job seekers for registration. And that's why we were very well known and respected in the job market. Today, by investing in this training program, you will not only get access to my 14 years of rich recruitment experience, but you will also save a lot of time, energy, and money by unnecessarily registering at various places. This training program will surely speed up your job search process and increase your confidence of being able to find a job for yourself. So you will feel very confident in getting a job, not only now, but in the future as well. You will not be dependent on anyone for a job search. So I would request you to tell as many friends as possible about this training, so that they too can join this training and community and learn how they can find their dream job. Just tell them to visit my website www.sheetalkhurana.com and register for this free webinar. If you are serious job seeker, then this course is for you. Now, what more is included in this course? What more is included? You will get a course completion certificate. You will be able to join our private community group. And you will also get coaching sessions by me, Sheetal Khurana. The best part is, once you are in my coaching group, I do coaching sessions wherein I do live reviews of resumes, question and answer session, LinkedIn profile reviews, along with lot of learnings. And all these coaching sessions are recorded and they are put into the course again. So even if you miss out, you will get free access to it. You will not only get a course, but you will get a mentor to whom you can ask any questions, pain areas, and I will give you a feedback. So for those who have made the payment, they can get started by learning immediately. The Job Search Formula course is a course wherein you will get total 5 hours of video content. And after you finish the course, you will get a certificate. It will automatically come to you once you watch all the videos and complete the course 100%. Now, here comes a bonus tip from my side. When you mention about the Job Search Formula course certification by Sheetal Khurana in your resume, the recruiter or interviewer will know that you are a highly interested job seeker, genuinely searching for a job. It will add credibility to your resume. They will also ask about the course and how it has helped you. They will know you have received training from an expert because my reputation is attached with this certification. Another thing, the beauty about this course is that it's a self-paced learning. You can learn at your own speed. There is no need for you to devote yourself for a particular date, time for a webinar. It's a self-paced learning. And you get lifetime access to these videos. It's all going to be online. It's going to be login-based system wherein your username and password, you can log in at any point in time. You're going to get access to my community, a network of people. I believe in nurturing and adding a lot of value to my community. There will be a lot of future content that will come in. Interviews from experts, game changers that will inspire you, motivate you, and help you grow in the right direction. I'm making sure I'm there for people who are stuck. That's why you're going to get not only a course, not only a mentor, but you're going to be a part of my community that will support you. Now I'm going to go ahead with the question and answer session. So Avinash is asking a question. What is the guarantee? Will this work? This is a very good question. I genuinely want each one of you to find your dream jobs. But there is no guarantee that you will find it because there are a lot of factors that are there, like the current global recession because of the pandemic, global digitalization. Plus, I do not know your level of commitment. I do not know how committed you are towards implementing this knowledge. I do not know whether you will deviate and try something else. The guarantee is only if you follow the system and process. Another question asked by another job seeker: what language is this course in? Well, this course is conducted in English language only. There is another question. Makarand has asked, is this course beneficial for freshers? Of course. This course is beneficial to not only freshers, but experienced working professionals as well, wherein you will learn basics of what it takes to find your dream job. And never in your work life you'll ever have to be dependent on anyone to help you find your dream job. You'll be ready. Another job seeker asks, what about job, madam? I need job. Well, this is another very good question. I totally understand that each one of you needs jobs. And in my power, through my contacts, I will try my level best to share job opportunities, which further you can pursue on your own. This is exactly the surprise bonus I spoke to you about in the beginning, about giving placement assistance. Well, I am in the process of connecting with a lot of HR managers and business owners and asking them about their manpower requirements. The same I shall be sharing in our community group as well, as and when I receive those requirements. That you can pursue on your own. Okay, now let me do one thing. In many webinars, they ask to make decision right away. Some of us can't make decisions immediately and need time to think and reflect. So what I will do is I'll keep the webinar special rate open to all of you to make decision and join the course and community and make the best decision of your life. For that, I would request you make a note of the payment link which has come on your screen. The payment link for the offer of the job search formula course bundle of rupees 999 is https://r/z.io/l/shtaltalkhurana. I'll repeat it. The payment link is https://r for rabbit, Z for zebra, P for parrot, .io, I for ice cream, O for orange, /L for lion, /S for Sheetal, H for horse, E for elephant, T for tiger, A for apple, L for lion, KHURANA, K for kite, H for horse, U for umbrella, R for rabbit, A for apple, N for nose, A for apple. So you can make a note of this and make the payment by taking the right decision of your life. Now I'm going to show you my screen where I'm going to show you what exactly you will get access to the courses. Let me share my screen with you. This is what you're going to get access to, the course curriculum page. Once you make payment, you will come to this course curriculum page where you will get to see the orientation about Sheetal Khurana, what employer looks for, strategies, job search, career growth mantras, mindset, work-life balance secrets. This is the job search formula course, the main course. And when you click on included courses, you will get access to resume writing course, interview tips and techniques course, and find jobs using LinkedIn course. This is what you're going to get access to after you make the payment. Now, what's there further? One-to-one coaching is again the next level. I do consultation for those who have completed level 1 course and need help in their job search. So one-to-one coaching with me is a paid level. What you have paid right now is level 1, the job search formula course bundle. And once you enter the job search formula course, you will get links to our private community and links to join mastermind coaching session. You will get access to the courses. Now, a very big thing, you can access these courses on your desktop, laptop, and even mobile phones and do learning on the go. I want to commit myself to your success. You take one step forward and I'll take 10 steps to help you succeed. Just follow the system and the process. I know at times it will be hard and tough, but keep learning and keep pushing through. Okay, it's time for me to sign off right now. You have been an awesome audience and I look forward to meeting you soon and helping you achieve your goals. A thank you note from my side. Thank you so much for being with me, and you can connect with me. You can visit my website www.sheetalkhurana.com www.sheetalkhurana.com, and I seriously look forward to seeing you as a member of my community, and I look forward to serving you and being your mentor. Thank you.